Welcome to our video on deferred maintenance, a crucial topic in property and facilities management. We'll explore its definition, causes, and the significant impact it can have on assets and infrastructure. Deferred maintenance occurs due to budget constraints, resource limitations, and competing priorities. These factors lead to postponing essential repairs, which can escalate into major issues over time, increasing costs and reducing asset lifespan. The consequences of deferred maintenance include safety risks, decreased efficiency, and potential legal issues. Neglected repairs can create hazardous conditions, while unmaintained equipment operates less efficiently, increasing operational costs. To manage deferred maintenance, conduct regular inspections, prioritize tasks, and develop a comprehensive maintenance plan. Allocate sufficient resources and utilize technology to streamline maintenance management and monitor performance effectively. Ryconn Property Management offers tailored maintenance services to mitigate deferred maintenance risks. Contact us at 86-696-08797 to ensure your property's longevity and safety with our expert team.